Decadent gooey chocolate and coffee torte recipe. Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're diving into the world of indulgence with a recipe that combines two of my absolute favorite flavors, chocolate and coffee. Get ready to satisfy your sweet cravings with our gooey chocolate and coffee torte. Trust me, this dessert is going to blow your mind. Ingredients: 200 grams, 7 ounces, dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa. 200 grams, 7 ounces, unsalted butter. 150 grams, 5.5 ounces, granulated sugar. 4 large eggs. 1 tablespoon instant coffee powder. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, all-purpose flour. Pinch of salt. Cocoa powder for dusting. Optional: whipped cream or ice cream for serving. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and grease a round cake tin with butter. Now, let's get started with our chocolate and butter. In a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water, melt the dark chocolate and butter together until smooth and glossy. Make sure not to let the water touch the bottom of the bowl to avoid burning the chocolate. Once melted, remove the bowl from the heat and let it cool slightly. In the meantime, let's prepare our coffee mixture. Dissolve the instant coffee powder in just a splash of hot water and set it aside. Now, in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs and sugar until pale and fluffy. This will give our torte that light and airy texture. Next, gradually pour in the melted chocolate mixture while continuously whisking until everything is well combined. Be patient with this step, you want a smooth and silky batter. Once the chocolate is fully incorporated, sift in the flour and a pinch of salt. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the batter until just combined. We don't want to overmix here, we still want that airy texture. Now, it's time to add our coffee mixture. Pour it into the batter and gently fold it in until you have a marbled effect. The coffee not only enhances the chocolate flavor but also adds a lovely depth to our torte. Beautiful, our batter is ready. Pour it into the prepared cake tin and smooth out the top with a spatula. Pop it into the preheated oven and bake for about 25-30 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center is still slightly gooey. Remember, we want that indulgent, gooey texture in the middle. And there you have it, folks. Our gooey chocolate and coffee torte is out of the oven and looking absolutely irresistible. Let it cool in the tin for a few minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, dust the top with cocoa powder for that final touch of decadence. Now, who's ready to dig in? Serve up slices of this heavenly torte with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of your favorite ice cream. Trust me, it's pure bliss in every bite. That combination of rich chocolate and bold coffee flavors is just perfection. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.